Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the main event, the Geico President's Race. Our forefathers during the day are mild-mannered citizens. But when they get the call, George, Tom, Abe, and Teddy are ready to race. And here they come in center field. Teddy's got the lead, but the Bird's on the field too. Teddy's all by himself. Abe is second right now, but Teddy's got a huge lead, and oh, he takes out the Bird. Teddy's obviously upset with the Bird, and Abe takes the lead, but here comes George. Teddy, get back in the race. They're in the right field corner. George has got the lead on the inside. Abe is on the outside. Tom is in third. Teddy's gaining some ground. George takes the lead. George is running away with the race. The winner's gonna be George. Teddy was distracted by the Oriole Bird.